the previous part, we have learned how to actually structure the basic tags, the foundations. Most importantly, remember that you need to save the HTML file straight away correctly with hypertext markup file type, and also the same with the CSS with cascading style sheets file type. Okay, so next what do? We need to put containers inside the body. Okay, we need to put containers. So the very first container we need would be a header, and I'm going to get you to put inside the header a heading and also a navigation bar inside it, and a header, and the main part we could call it main, and main will start and finish, and at the end a footer. Also, in the example I gave you, we have used the div container, right? Now div is a generic container, so we want to try to make it we want to give it a meaningful container, such as a header, a footer, main. So for each text boxes we are going to try to prepare a container. Just to show you a finished version of similar website, it's here. So we need boxes. We need to put them into boxes, all the texts and the pictures. Maybe I need to make the boxes slightly bigger. We need a navigation bar. We need a heading size for a heading with H1 size and H2, and we need H2 for the each headings inside the boxes, and paragraphs. Okay, so what we are going to do is we need a container for the boxes, and we could use a generic container like div. However, if we use a semantic code which is more meaningful, it would be better for search engine, for web browsing softwares, and for softwares that I don't that actually reads the web page for people like visually impaired people. So we'll try to use a semantic code, and the code we want to include is a summary for each summary. And summary will start and finish, but we will give it a class name. A class, we'll call it city. Alright, and we need 4 for the text parts and 4 for the image, so we need to copy and paste it 7 times. So we have copied and pasted 7 times to make 8. So in the first 4 parts we will add H2 for a heading, and H2, and we will add two paragraphs. Oh, made a mistake. Immediately the color should let me know my mistake. You can always save time by copy and pasting some items. Paste it here, and paste here. Alright, so the first part, and then we'll insert the image here. So what we have done is we have prepared the structure. You see, if we are methodical with our approach, if you are, for example, creating a website within a work-based, scenario where you have to do it correct, quickly but correctly, to be organized is good. So do the containers first, yeah, and then next you put the text and the pictures in the next part. So we'll close this video, yeah, and we'll go ahead with the next part. Thank you.